It was a crime that shook the country, the gang rape and murder of Jyoti Singh. The 23-year-old was attacked by 5 men on a bus in New Delhi in 2012. The case triggered mass protests. Now 4 of the rapists have been sentenced to death.
Today is a very big day for me because we have been struggling for 7 years. But the biggest day will be on January the 22nd, when all of the 4 convicts will be hanged.
Following the outcry, India's government introduced harsher punishments for sexual violence. It also created special courts to fast-track cases. But after Singh's assault and murder, India remains one of the most dangerous countries in the world for women. According to data from the government, a woman is raped every 15 minutes. A report from the Ministry of Home Affairs shows 34,000 women were raped in 2018, and only 27% of reported cases led to convictions. Researchers say the actual number of assaults is likely far higher, as people are reluctant to report sexual attacks. So why is sexual violence so prevalent in India? Rights activists say crimes against women are taken less seriously, and police are accused of being insensitive to survivors of sexual assault. This woman said she was raped by her brother-in-law in the state of Rajasthan, but when she reported the crime, she said she was bullied into silence.
When I went to the police station, they would shoo me away, saying things like, "You're just pretending, you're lying, nothing has happened." After that, I would just come back home crying.
India is a patriarchal society where activists say women are treated as second-class citizens. But it's not just women. Children as young as 3 have been beaten and raped. It seems the low conviction rate and the slow court system are encouraging vigilante reprisal attacks. In June, police in the southern city of Hyderabad shot dead 4 men who had been accused but not convicted of rape and murder. The incident provoked outrage but also celebrations. So what can India do to end its epidemic of sexual violence? Haider Abasi, The Newsmakers.